101 South Ellsworth Avenue in San Mateo, California. Dovers. ThyssenKrupp. See how high we can go. These are nice cabs. G or P3? This might be the service car.
I think so.
But yeah, as Tyler pointed out, these have really nice caps. Look at that handrail. It's like curved on the corners.
Switch down here, switch on here.
Let's switch down here. Ooh, it's like hella down. Hold on. Stay in there. Let me make sure the call button actually responds. Okay. It's cold down here. This is so weird.
Wow.
Whoa, that is,
It's like a painting.
it's like etched in. That's nice.
Actually, I think these are Dovers.
Might be ThyssenKrupp. This one's a bit rough.
And it on G.
Yeah. ThyssenKrupp. Yeah, this is a really nice cab.
Dover.
These are probably just really
ThyssenDovers.
early.
They could be ThyssenDovers.
Maybe.
Hey, you guys need some help?
We're
No,
just
we're
interested in elevators.
yeah, we're actually just
That's
checking
how
out.
long we go around, we film different elevators.
Okay, because I saw the elevators going up and down.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry about that.
That's all right, I was just making